Okay, today I'm going to show you how to write a script to download media from media serving websites. Uh, Works across many sites. I'm not going to specify any specific site that could get me uh, blacklisted on this particular site that you're viewing the video on, but it could work across multiple sites. So you'll have to do your own testing. But basically what we're going to utilize is a script that's been written in, I think it was Python, called YouTube-DL. And then we're going to also download a script called ffmpeg, which is a set of tools in a library that basically can convert from one format to another. So say you download an M4A file and you want to convert it to a .wave, or you download a .webm file and you want to convert it to a .mp3. Basically, the script will do that. So I already have those installed on my system, so I'm just going to tell you what you type. And this is being done on a Mac. So uh, in order to get the first one, you need to type in brew install YouTube-DL, hit enter, and it'll run through the install and install that script. And then once you have that installed, the next one you're going to install is the ffmpeg tools. So you would type in brew install ffmpeg and hit enter. Once you have those two tools installed, then we're going to get into the scripting. And this is a really simple bash script. The first script I think we'll do is the get title. I think, because we need to know what the title is. Uh, so I think we'll start with writing a bash script for that. So we will do nano one get title.sh, and we'll start developing that script. And this is going to be a really simple script. Um, we're going to be using, to copy and paste from the clipboard, we're going to be using pbpaste and pbcopy. So we'll write the script here real quick. We'll do the shebang up at the top. Bin bash, and then we'll set a variable string equals quote pb paste single quote double quotations. Next line will be a sleep one, just to give us a break so we don't have any hiccups along the way. I find myself using sleep quite a bit, honestly, because sometimes the scripts run faster than uh, other things can happen. So inserting a little sleep seems to help in my situation. And then this here, we're going to take that string from the pb paste, and we're basically going to run a web script to I will do it in Perl. Basically, run a web script to convert the title or extract the data from the title. So we'll type in wget dash qo dash. We'll use the variable. Then we're going to pipe it into Perl. Perl -L flag, and then dash 0777 for the permissions. And then we'll do another flag of NE and print. What we basically want to do is we're going to use this wget, and we're going to grab the title of the web page, which is what displays at the top of the browser when the page is open, and we're going to basically extract the title of the file name by parsing that web page title. Alright, and that should be sufficient for this, so we'll go ahead and exit with saving this, so Control X, and we're going to click yes. One get title.sh. Okay, so that script is done. The next script we're going to do is going to be the engine behind what operates this. So, and this is going to be pretty simple, a lot easier to understand than the last one probably, because Perl I think is pretty complex, or it feels complex. So we're going to do nano one dl mp3.sh. Okay, get the shebang up at the top. bin/bash, and the first thing we want the script to do is to clear the terminal window. So we'll type clear. The next thing the script will do is copy. We want to copy. We want to clear the clipboard. So we use pbcopy and dev null to clear the clipboard. So pbcopy /dev /null. After it clears the clipboard, we'll insert a sleep command. Sleep 1 second. Now we're going to get into an Apple script. So this is where we actually copy the contents of the clipboard of the active window in the browser. So whatever window is currently playing the media file, it'll copy that URL in the background to the clipboard. So we're going to go ahead and type in OSA script, flag it with -e, then the script itself will be tell application Brave browser set the URL to URL of active tab of first window, set the clipboard to the URL as string, and tell single quote. Okay, so that just copied the contents from, sorry, I'm just reading it to make sure I don't have any typos in there, because it would be a shame to have a typo and not have this work. Okay, that will set the clipboard to the active cell or active tab of the browser. Then we're going to go ahead and let it sleep again 1 second, and then we're going to type in the command to actually run in the terminal, and that'll be calling that YouTube-DL script to run. So we're going to run that script, and we're going to extract audio dash format will be MP3, and then right here, if you were normally running that script alone, you would put in the URL of whatever website you're using. So we're not going to use a website in here. Actually, we're going to just use the clipboard contents, which will contain the URL that we're browsing. So we're going to go ahead and go ahead and type in pbpaste, and we're going to make sure that that stays within single quotes. And we're going to set the variable of str to equal double quote and single quote pbpaste as the actual variable here. So, and then single double. Okay, so that will run that script, and once the script runs and is completed, which will download the audio in whatever format it is, it'll even download a video file and then convert it to an audio file. Whatever format it is, it's going to run that script, and then we're going to have the URL as a variable here of str. Then once the script runs, we're going to go ahead and clear the terminal window again, insert another sleep for good measure. I don't know why, but I have issues when sleep is not inserted at some points. So I tend to insert sleep more than I should probably. And then we're going to run that get title bash script that we just wrote just a moment ago. So we're going to do bash on get title.sh, and then at the end of that, once it gets the title, we're going to go ahead and echo the statement of finished. And that's it for that script. So after that's done, we'll go ahead and exit that. So Control X, and then we're going to write it out by confirming with Y or yes. Okay, so we have two scripts there. Now we could run that script and go. Actually, let's just run that script now. So let me find a video here. Here's one from Vimeo. I don't even need to copy it. I was going to copy it, but we don't need to copy that because the script is going to copy it. So what we're going to do is we're going to run bash 1dl mp3.sh. Okay, so once it's done, we're going to go ahead and find it in here. It was sale, so start it with an S here. Let me find it. There it is. And it's an MP3 showing here. So, but it's just in my users folder here. So we're gonna do some tweaking here and see if we can't adjust some things. So we've already simplified it by copying the URL automatically, but let's make this a little easier. Let's nano into the profile. So nano tilde slash period and profile, and we're going to actually create an alias so that all we have to do is type in the word mp3 into the terminal. So let's add another alias here at the top, and this should make things a lot easier. We're going to name the alias mp3, and the command will equals single quotation, and the command is going to be bash in the name of the file, which we've renamed to dlmp3.sh. I've also relocated it to a different folder here. So just put in the location where you have the file sitting. We're going to go ahead and exit that and write it out to the file. And then notice I have to update that source. I just have to type in F5P. So we're going to go ahead and exit and click yes to confirm, and then F5P to update that alias. Now what we're going to do is going to go back to that directory. We're going to click the storage of where that script is lying, which is up at the top, music. See, the scripts are in here. So there's no file there. But what we're going to do is resize this window a bit so you can see. And we're going to, again, make sure that the browser window is set. Yeah, we're still good there. So the browser window is still good, and we should be able to just simply type in the same command, except all we have to type is MP3. MP3, hit enter, and it runs through the script the same way, but it's going to a different folder now. And you can see the sale video right here is downloading, and it's converting it. 75, 85, 90, 100%, destination is set, and it's completed, and it's finished. So right here, we're going to right click on it and open with iTunes default. And there it is. I demoed it on Vimeo. It might work with other sites. I don't know. I'm not going to get myself blacklisted on YouTube. So like or unlike, it's up to you. Hope this was useful.